What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Meme Coin Daily. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven and I am here. Volt Army, we are here. Voltoshi just dropped a message for us. Voltoshi's message part 3 his message for us, guys, and I am absolutely bullish. We're gonna go through the message in this video. Now before we get into that, guys, Meme Coin Daily 1180 subscribers. Please be sure, if you hold Volt, you're part of the Volt Army, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. The more you guys support these videos, the more chances they have to be pushed out into the algorithm and get new eyes on the project. Thank you guys so much, Volt Army, for the support you have given me thus far. And let's take a look at the Volt chart real quick as well before we dive deeper into Voltoshi's message. Now, like I said in my previous video, we have a bit of a retrace that's happening right now, a bit of a correction. No worries about that at all, guys, because the broader market has been retracing as well, and so Volt has retraced a bit. But this is the time you DCA, you accumulate. These are the type of entries you get into, and then you thank yourself in the future for getting into these type of entries. Now when we take a look at the official Volt Inu Twitter, Voltoshi's message part 3, a new year to Volt, is right here for you guys, and we're gonna go through it, guys, and see what Volt has in store for us for 2023. It's been an amazing year of Volt. Volt's anniversary recently happened. It's been an amazing year. You can see the project has stayed developing. The community has kept on growing. The content creators, social media, everyone on social media platforms have been spreading the word of Volt, and it just never stops. The voltage never stops. So we're gonna go through Voltoshi's message, see what we got, man. What a vaulted year it's been. A year ago, we were nowhere near close to where we are now. We started from the bottom at a 20 to 40k market cap, and after the little spike every project gets at launch, we had nothing left. Started from the bottom, now we're here. Started at 20 to 40k market cap, all the way up to 100 plus million, man. That is insane. And imagine how much more potential Volt has for the future, guys. Think about it. You know, the steam has not run out on Volt. The train is just getting started. No website, no utility, no community, no exchange, nothing but a vision. The vision of making something happen by the people, for the people. And remember that Elon Musk tweet that happened as well, guys. By the people, for the people. It's no coincidences. As most of you probably know, while all the influencers were panicking in my DMs, while the few people left in the chat were yelling at me to hear my scary voice, this was the exact time Pablo reached out to me, not to DM me a proposal, not to offer some revolutionary shilling services, but just to open the voice chat and talk to the people. This is how the reversal started. This is how our voice chat that's been running 24/7 for a full year started. Wow. That is absolutely insane. Always active. That's what I said. The Volt community, man. It is a freaking family. The Volt Army. You guys always been putting in the work. Huge shout outs to Pablo as well, one of the top community members in Volt. But man, you guys have been crushing it and have absolutely stayed crushing it. The community is what takes projects to that next level. This is how the Volt Army started, with people building the next Volted thing all together. From there, you know how it went. We bridged over to BSC in January. Smart move, by the way. We got our first exchange listing in January. We released our play to earn game in March. We completed one of the most Volted migrations in April. We sponsored dozens of sports teams and athletes. We released our own NFT collection. We advertised Volt all over the world with billboards, buses, events, and celebrities. We got Volt on 100 exchanges. We released the basic features of our decks, and the list goes on. So much has been accomplished for Volt, the Volt team, and you guys, the Volt Army. Y'all gotta give yourselves a pat on the back, man. You guys have absolutely killed it, man. And this is in a bear market. It's bear market conditions all around. Imagine if this was a bull market, guys. So let's go through this one more time. Listing in January, play to earn game in March, vaulted migration. Most projects, you know, they get migrated to their V2 contract, and then, you know, nobody's talking about the project anymore. With Volt, you guys, the Volt army, are still pushing forward. Voltoshi, Pablo, everyone in the community still pushing forward. We sponsor dozens of sports teams and athletes. NFT collection, not much people speak about the NFT collection, but the floor in the NFT collection keeps rising as well. Don't fade the NFT collection, right? Billboards worldwide, events, buses, celebrities, 100 exchanges, 100 Volti change as well. Man, so much has been accomplished, and you know, this is what you love to see in a project. Things being done, not just promises after promises after promises. Things being done and delivered. This is so bullish. So yes, credit must go to someone for all the accomplishments, but not to me. Credit must be given to the Volt army, to each and every one of you. I wholeheartedly agree with that, because I don't know of any other community that gives so much inspiration and strength to its team. Now, if you look at each of the things we have achieved, they all have one thing in common. None of them are an end in themselves, but they are all a preparation and a means to the next step. And what is about to be released will be no different. I know that many of you are dreaming of a Binance or Coinbase listing while the market is at its lowest, but for what purpose? Why not prepare for precisely this kind of listing? And this is what I was saying in my previous video about the Volt Inu blow off top, guys. When the market gets super bullish again, and there's a ton of new people in the space, especially the people that are getting into Uniswap for the first time, especially the hedge funds, the big money, because guess what? You know, the greed the greed is always at the top. The richest people in the world stay greedy, right? That's just how they work. They have it all. They have so much, but they still want more. They're gonna get into the space, and they're gonna send this market like we've never seen before. And in my previous video, I stated how a Volt Inu blow off top will happen. Bitcoin and Ethereum are going to new all-time highs. Volt follows the market. There's a ton of new people that come into the space, new retail investors, or there's a lot of people that, you know, got tired and bored of the bear market, didn't stay building while they was here during the bear market. They're gonna regret that. They're gonna regret leaving in the bear market. They're gonna regret not going through these market conditions and DCAing in and accumulating, because they're gonna come back when it's peak FOMO, when everything is huge green candles to the upside. And then while Volt is going to, you know, making those huge moves to the upside, with so much new people on ERC20, you guys as the Volt army spreading the word of Volt all over, there's gonna be so much people that you know, just they're scrolling crypto Twitter for the first time. They see Volt, even you know huge money into the space. They're scrolling crypto Twitter. They see Volt. They might be like, you know, man, this is going crazy. Oh my gosh, there's so many people talking about this. You know what? Let me take a chance on this project, right? And that's just gonna keep creating that appeal, that, you know, that steam to the project. The train is gonna leave the station. But think about a catalyst. Think about a catalyst like a tier 1 exchange, like a Coinbase, a Binance. During that moment, those bullish times, just how insane Volt could move with a catalyst in one of the most bullish times, guys. Think about that. That's why I said in my previous video, I know I keep repeating that, but I said catalysts. For example, we could have Volt Inu blockchain. You know, Voltoshi is a genius. I'm sure he could develop something, you know, smart contracts for the project. We could have other types of utilities that happen during the bull, and we could have tier 1 exchange listings during the bull. And we know When projects are sending in the bowl and you put a catalyst on top of that, guys, let's just say it's gonna be absolutely insane, man. So yeah, I like what Voltoshi has written so far. I'm enjoying every bit of every word. Why not prepare the ground for the banks and institutions by offering them something they actually use? A new utility as well? What could it be? A new use case for Volt as well? What could it be, guys? Oh man, I'm at the edge of my seat, man. And think about all of these things unraveling in a bull market, in a time where it's peak FOMO and it's all green candles everywhere. You look left and right, there's a green candle. There's a huge green candle. Just look left, look right, do a 360, you're seeing green candles. And Volt unveiling whatever they have, you know, planned for Voltoshi unveiling whatever it is he has planned for the future. Something that the banks and institutions, I said it just now, the hedge funds, the big money, the stock market money, you know what I'm saying? That type of money, you know, you get those type of people in your project, it's gonna be freaking, you know, phenomenal. Volt Army, you guys are one of the best communities in the space. You guys are the super community of crypto, and Voltoshi, genius, developing non-stop, coming up with things that are groundbreaking and innovative, you know. Let me get your thoughts in the comment section, what you think could be this new utility. If there's a problem in the world and you fix that, you figure out a way to solve that problem, this is how you make a successful business or product. Man, I am so inquisitive about it. Like, why not prepare the groundwork for the banks and institutions that stock market money by offering them something they actually use? I have no idea what it could be, guys. I really have no idea what it is. Something exclusive as well, so it's probably gonna be something, you know, like I said, innovative, something new, something different. Volt absolutely remains bullish, and yeah, man, we gotta vault it. We gotta keep vaulting it, man. I gotta see what it is, man. I can't wait to cover it when whatever it is when it unveils. We're gonna cap off the video with some of the top recent tweets from the Volt Army. King Ozzy.eth, Volt reversal incoming if you add all the volume it has accumulated at those levels, support, resistance, and flip. People that got in late are getting out. That's what we call paper hands. Get them out of here. None of those vaulted bag holders are selling. Charts don't lie. Holding that floor. Huge reversal could happen and will happen in the future, because there's diamond hands in Volt that aren't going anywhere. They're just being patient. That's all you gotta do. You just gotta be patient. Another tweet from Crypto Insights. Most traded highlight meme tokens in the last 24 hours. We have 10 projects, it looks like, and number one is Volt Inu. Look at this trade volume. Look at this trade volume. $5.36 million in trade volume in the last 24 hours. And this is a bear market. I gotta repeat that time and time again. Volt is getting $5 million of trade volume in a bear. How much will it get in a bull when everything is just absolutely going bonkers? 100, 200, 300 million dollars in 24 hours for its trade volume. Think about the price when Volt is sitting at $300 million in trade volume. Just everybody just getting in, everybody just trying to get their hands on some Volt. They're like, oh man, I need a piece of the pie. I need a piece. I need a piece of that Volt. Volt me, please. Right here we have a retweet from the official Volt Twitter. Volt making up 25% of the Poloniex volume. What? Probably nothing. And it's a retweet from CryptoClay.eth. Shout outs to the Volt community, the Volt Army, man. 1.7 million Volt 24 hour, and it's up from 1.7 million right now. Divided by 6.8 million Poloniex 24 hour volume, up 25%. And you got an image right here, up 25%. The big exchanges, I tell you, when you guys make enough noise, I'm telling you guys, when you guys make enough noise, the big exchanges will see that. You don't think the heads at Poloniex are like, dang, Volt giving us some trade value. Oh man, so much people are on our exchange because of Volt now. You don't think those other top tier exchanges are gonna be like, huh? Man, we gotta get our hands on some Volt, man. We gotta get Volt on our exchange, man. That trade volume ain't no joke. That trade volume ain't no joke. KuCoin, for example. I feel like KuCoin is gonna be one of the first, you know, big tier 1 exchanges that lists Volt, right? KuCoin gonna be like, whoa, this man right here, Johnny, the CEO of KuCoin, he gonna be in his office. One of his workers gonna come in and be like, yo, Johnny, have you heard of Volt? Volt? What's that? It's a meme coin. Look at all that trade volume. Johnny gonna be like, what? Oh, we gotta list this. Johnny gonna be like, we gotta list this. Oh yeah, let's get Volt on KuCoin real quick. Let's get Volt on KuCoin real quick. So yeah, KuCoin is one of those ones that I know for a fact, no doubt in my mind, eventually in the future, Volt will be on KuCoin, guys. I could tell y'all that much, and then we could think about, you know, the Coinbases and the Binances after the fact. But this man Johnny, he gonna want some of that Volt trade volume. He gonna see what's happening with Poloniex. He gonna be like, oh man, we gotta get our hands on some of that, you know, Volt Inu trade volume real quick. And like always, Volt Army, thank you guys so much for tuning into the video. I really appreciate it. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's spread this video all over. Let's get YouTube, let's get it on that front page. YouTube ain't got no choice but to push this video out. Let's get this video to 100 likes, man. I really appreciate you guys. And if this is your first time hearing about Volt, comment down below, let me know what you think of the project. Everything Volt and myself will be down in the description, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.